Hello everyone, we're back with another egg RNG video. And before we get started, as we normally do, no bootlegs, Pokemon Emerald being played on a Game Boy Advance SP, AGS 101. It's the one with the bright screen, guys. Alright, let's get this down on the working mat, and whoa, here we go, guys. We got Cynthia overlooking things, and always the foreman in the back, Charizard. Alright guys, let's see what we got here. Hopefully it's a shiny Pichu. There we go, guys. That's a cute looking Pokemon right there. As we normally do, no nicknames. And it's very difficult to tell if he's actually shiny, because even the Pikachu you can hardly tell. So, let's do a test. Do the switcherooski. Curious, what's his stat here? Hopefully adamant. Oh, I think we're in good shape, guys. Alright, let's go into the tall grass. Come on, baby. Alright. Got an exciting Oddish, and here, let's get good and close. Come on, Pichu, shine, baby. There you go, guys. We got ourselves a shiny Pichu. Hopefully you enjoyed that vid. We got another egg RNG video to go. Over and out. Peace.